Welcome. Here's a homeowner's guide to the S-Series controller. Navigating the controller. So in order to navigate the S-Series controller, we can simply swipe our finger to the left or right, and it will highlight the tabs on the bottom. You can see the heating, you can see the hot water, you can set schedulings and holiday modes, and if you swipe right again, you can find the information menu, where you'll find your product name, the serial number, and the current software version. Alternatively, we can press the 3 lines at the top right, and this will bring up the menus where you can see the indoor climate, hot water, information, my system, connection, scheduling, and then the installer settings. Alternatively to that, to get an overview of the system, we can simply pull it down, like you would do on a mobile device. And on here we have a multitude of tiles, where we can select and see operational information. Changing the heating or hot water. Click on the following heading. I want to make changes for my system. And on here you can either select indoor temperature or your hot water settings. In indoor temperature, we can adjust the heating temperature or turn off the heating. And in hot water, we can activate more hot water. Setting a schedule. Make sure you are open on the scheduling tab. Select no active schedules and then select the plus symbol. The first thing we need to do is create a new mode. We're going to create a new mode for hot water, and we're going to have the hot water off. Once we've ticked that, we can scroll to the side, select a colour, and then name it. I'm going to call this No Hot Water. Press the tick when finished. We can then create another new mode, and we can create a heating profile. We select the climate system, if there are multiple, and then the action, which will be a setback. Once the setback has been applied, press the tick, swipe to the side, and begin to colour and name this profile, just like before. Let's call it setback. Again, press the tick. We can now go into scheduling. Press an empty space. We select which profile we would like to apply, no hot water or setback. We then adjust the hours on that profile. The slider indicates the time, 3 AM to 9 AM. I'm going to tick the boxes for every day. So every day, this no hot water profile will take effect between these hours. Once that's completed, we press the tick. Outside of these times, the system will revert back to its default settings. We can add another profile by pressing into these empty spaces, which takes us back to scheduling. Let's select the setback profile. Select how many days we would like for it to take effect. And we can set this to the same times, so it will be 3 AM till 9 AM. Again, press the tick icon in the top corner. As you can see, it will stack the 2 different profiles on top of each other, both profiles running at the same time. To set holiday mode, we simply go to Holiday. Add a holiday. Select the profile in which we want to take effect. Set the dates that you'll be away, so the 12th of December to the 18th. Press the tick, and then the next icon. Name the profile. I'll call this one Away. When you press the tick, you can see the Away profile has been created, but make sure to press this icon to activate it. Emergency mode. For any instance where you need to put the system into emergency mode for electric backup, for example if you had a problem with your heat pump, we can simply hold the power button down. And you can see that it says emergency mode. Click on emergency mode, and the system will turn off and it will start up in the emergency mode. This will be indicated by yellow light on the system. Alternatively, we can hold this power button down if there's a problem with the display, and the system will go into emergency mode, indicated by the yellow light.